Hi everyone, welcome back to the channeling series. And as promised, we are on the second video of the manifestation series. And the first one was all about a few techniques, right? How you can write your affirmations. Now, this one is specific to, let's talk about the laws of manifestation, all right? Let's start with law of oneness, right? So, it took me a while to wrap my head around it, right? Where we all know that when we talk about aham brahmasmi, right? It's basically the concept is that everything, we're all one, right? We're all in the same energy, isn't it? Aham brahmasmi is the universe is within me, right? Or I am the universe, right? So, but how does that connect to manifestation, right? Okay, that's where law of oneness comes in. Now, based on law of oneness, right, we are all one, which means there is no separation between me and what I want, right? So, when we say that I want to manifest such and such thing, what are we doing? What are we telling the universe energetically? We are saying that currently we don't have that, right? So there is that lack energy, and that also highlights the separation between me and what I want, right? And when I'm constantly in the energy of I want, what is happening is that the universe is making that amplifying that energy more and more, right? Because want is equal to lack is equal to I don't have it right now, which means it's not there, right? And so the universe keeps highlighting and amplifying more lack in our lives, right? So how do we use this law of oneness to manifest? Now, when I know that I'm connected with everything, that also means that the energy of what I want is already within me, or maybe I am that energy, right? So there is no separation between me and what I want. Okay. You can probably understand it theoretically, right? But when it comes to application, you don't know how to reach there. How do I use this to actually get what I want, right? By shifting the perspective, by shifting how you think about something, that's how you can bring the change, right? Now, when I understand that I'm not separate from what I want, then what I now need to focus on is how do I remove the clutter or whatever it is that's stopping me from seeing what I really want, because it's there. Law of oneness, it's there, right? We're all one, but somewhere I can't see it, therefore I'm trying to manifest it and I am separated from it, right? So what do I need to do? Somewhere I need to clear the clutter from within me or whatever it is that will actually remove that curtain, unveil what I really want, right? So the focus in law of oneness is actually to work on what is it in within me that's not allowing me to be one with what I want, because it's the law that it'll literally, what you want is going to be with you, right? Uh however somewhere there is this layer of ignorance or desperation or whatever you want to call it, whatever your energy is, that's not letting you see it. All right. So, like, when it starts raining on your car and your wipers start, right? And then the moment it wipes that this thing glass, you're able to see, right? So similarly with law of oneness, what we need to do is we need to wipe that glass of ours that is not letting us see into the future, or not letting us see what we already have. So for that, you start doing gratitude statements in the present tense. So thank you, universe. Thank you, God. Thank you, whoever you believe in, right? For this beautiful house, for this beautiful relationship. I am feeling blah XYZ. I already feel loved. I feel so loved. I feel so connected. I feel so in sync. I feel alive. I feel happy. you know. So you are already the tech what is the technique? One is, because of law of oneness, you need to start removing the clutter within you that's not letting you see the oneness, that's not letting you see what you already want, because it's already there. How do you do it? You start changing your perspective by doing gratitude statements in the present tense. Thank you, universe, for this beautiful relationship, for this beautiful house, for this beautiful job. I'm feeling all the energies that you're feeling because you already have it. Do it for 15 minutes, do it for 20 minutes, do it, write it down 52 times every day, right? Pick any one way of expressing your gratitude, and your focus needs to be on amplifying this energy every day, every single day, to clear. And of course, there's EFT, there's Ho'oponopono, there are so many other techniques that you can do to clear that clutter, to actually clear that glass, so that you can see through and receive your manifestation, right? So I hope this made sense. I'm going to be back with another law tomorrow. Signing off, Anisha Dutt from Zarya Healings.